so now I got 3 of these caps in there. So that's something between 12, 15,000 microfarads, something like that. This is again going to be the full bridge. I'm going to find something to drive it with. Got to finish winding the coil, all that stuff. I'm getting closer, but not quite there yet. So you see it's starting to heat up. Ooh, see that's when I bring it all the way up. It starts to wig out. So I think at that point, I'm not real sure what it is, but you know, that seems about the max I can get right now, running everything the way I'm running it, without, you know, real isolation, which is probably what I should try to do. You know, that 12,000 microfarad or so, putting out a nice kind of beefy arc there. I don't know, it's just funny because my expectations are like normally what you see for these QCW coils. But if I didn't have those expectations, I'd be looking at these arcs thinking like, holy crap, that's pretty awesome for, you know, interrupted arcs. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't know, I kind of want to touch it, and then I kind of don't. Yeah, I'm going to see what happens. We'll see what happens when I... Hey, okay, so yeah, nothing major.